In this video, I'll show you exactly how to audit your site speed and core web vitals for SEO, all in just 3 minutes. These are critical metrics that Google uses to rank your site, and if you're not optimizing for them, you're likely missing out on traffic. I'll walk you through the tools you can use, what you should be looking for, and how to improve your site's performance. Fast. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what needs to be fixed on your site for better rankings. First up, to audit your site speed and core web vitals, we'll need to use Google's own tools. The first one is Google PageSpeed Insights. This tool gives you a full breakdown of your site's speed and the core web vitals, largest contentful paint, LCP, first input delay, FID, and cumulative layout shift, CLS. These are the 3 factors that really matter for Google's ranking. You can just type in your URL, hit analyze, and you'll get a score. The score is broken down into 2 categories, mobile and desktop. But don't just focus on the overall score. Pay attention to each core web vital metric. LCP measures how fast the largest content element on the page loads. If your LCP is over 2.5 seconds, that's a problem. Fiddle measures how long it takes for your site to respond when a user clicks something. If it's more than 100 milliseconds, you need to optimize. Close is all about stability. If your page layout shifts unexpectedly as it loads, Google doesn't like that. Aim for a CLS score under 0.1. Next, let's talk about Google Search Console. Under the Core Web Vitals report, you'll see how your site is performing across the 3 key metrics, LCP, FID, and CLS. This is crucial because Search Console will show you if there are any pages that need attention. If you have any issues here, it's a clear signal to dive into the details and fix them. Now that you have the tools, it's time to get to work. If your LCP is high, that means your content is taking too long to load. This could be an issue with large images, videos, or slow server response times. You can solve this by optimizing your images using modern formats like WebP and enabling lazy loading for images below the fold. For FID, it's all about making sure your JavaScript is not blocking the user's first interaction. To fix this, consider deferring non-essential JavaScript or breaking it into smaller chunks. For CLS, make sure that your page layout is stable and doesn't shift unexpectedly. This can be fixed by setting size attributes for images, videos, and ads, and ensuring that they don't jump around during the load process. Here's the thing, you don't need to go on guessing whether your site is optimized for SEO. Using the tools I just mentioned, you can pinpoint exactly what's wrong and make changes accordingly. And I've tested all the most popular tools for auditing site speed and core web vitals, and I'm recommending my favorite one. If you want to follow along with me, there's an exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's only available to my viewers, so don't miss out. Key takeaway: auditing your site speed and core web vitals for SEO is essential if you want to improve your rankings. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights and Google Search Console to get the data you need. Focus on improving LCP, FID, and CLS to optimize your site for better performance. And remember, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial from the link in the description to get started. So, to recap, start by running your site through Google PageSpeed Insights and Google Search Console. Look at your LCP, FID, and CLS scores, and make fixes like optimizing images, deferring JavaScript, and stabilizing your layout. Make sure your site is fast, responsive, and stable. And as always, take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.